like to add.
I mean,
that
being on the ground, I'm very clear that the ground has changed.
You know,
Since I go to the ground.
Hanuman Jayanti processions going by the mosque is not a communal incident. Mosque people throwing stones at Hanuman Jayanti
Anyway,
is a
I don't
communal
want to
one.
get into
So yeah, one second, let's not get into Hindu-Muslim, let's talk about facts. The facts of the matter is, Navika, that the socio-economic profile of the Delhi voter is much more important than the religious profile.
See, Kejriwal has taken a U-turn and become a Chunavi Hindu, and people of Delhi are seeing through it. There used to be regular havans that used to be performed in Delhi jail, in Tihar jail, but they have the Delhi government ensured that they were stopped. If you remember, Kejriwal has said, Ram Mandir बनने से क्या कोरोना खत्म हो जाएगा? And he is the same केजरीवाल. इन लोगों ने मिलके किस तरीके से अपने आप को हनुमान भक्त कहते हैं, हनुमान मंदिर जाते हैं, और जो सबसे पुराने हनुमान मंदिर है उसको तोड़ने का भी काम इन्होंने किया, क्योंकि इनको ब्यूटिफिकेशन करना था चांदनी चौक का. वहां पे कितने मंदिर तोड़ दिए. एंड व्हेन यू टॉक अबाउट, आज आप सैलरी दे रहे, 10 साल से इनकी सरकार थी, दे इवन हैव, दे वो ना हिंदू के हैं ना मुसलमान के हैं, वो दिल्ली की जनता देख रही है. 17 महीने से वो मांग रहे हैं मौलाना कि हमारी सैलरी तो दे दो. अब ये नई चीज ले आए हैं, पंडितों को देंगे. पंडितों, आपके पंडित आपके मोहताज नहीं है. राम को बदनाम करने वाले, राम का अपमान करने वाले, राम पे विश्वास करने वालों के पैसे पंडित नहीं लेंगे. मैं बहुत जिम्मेदारी से कह रही हूँ.
अनमोल जी,
देखिए, ये बड़े सच्चे पक्के हिंदू बनते हैं. इन्हीं के जो सांसद थे नरेश अग्रवाल, राज्यसभा में खड़े होकर उन्होंने किस तरह की अभद्र टिप्पणी की थी राम जी के बारे में, सीता माता के बारे में, सबको पता है. इन्हीं के उत्तर प्रदेश के जो उप मुख्यमंत्री हैं दिनेश शर्मा, उन्होंने कहा था सीता माता टेस्ट ट्यूब बेबी हैं, और इन्होंने अभी कहा कि हनुमान मंदिर तोड़ने के लिए हमने कहा था, ये रहा एमसीडी का एफिडेविट, बीजेपी ने तोड़ा था हनुमान मंदिर, ये रहा, इन्होंने साइन करके दिया था 2021 में, तोड़ दो.
प्रूफ के साथ है,
पूरा दिखाओ, प्रूफ के साथ है, पूरा एफिडेविट, और ये जो हमने तो, हमारी जो देश की पहली सरकार है जिसने पुजारी और ग्रंथियों के सम्मान में योजना लाई, तुम्हारे हाथ किसने बांध रखे थे? 75 साल से तुम्हारे हाथ किसने बांध रखे थे? आज तो मौलाना की सैलरी याद आ रही है. हमने अगर पुजारी और ग्रंथियों के सम्मान की बात की तो तुम्हारे पेट में दर्द होने लगा.
पहले आपका सम्मान कहां था? ये सम्मान अब सवाल ये है.
देखिए, हम तो ले आए 65 साल से 75 साल से कहां सो रहे थे?
I need to look at the Super 9, because Super 9 is a formula that can tell you which are the seats that if they go this way or that way, they can change elections. Let's take a look at some of these seats. Aam Aadmi Party won these seats. This is Mundka. Aam Aadmi Party won this seat twice in 2015 and 2020. This is the victory margin, which is a lower victory margin of about less than 20,000 votes. So Mundka becomes one of those seats where, if the BJP were to up their game, can they actually look at getting this? Now let's look at Trinagar. Trinagar is a seat. Once again, 2 elections, Aam Aadmi Party has won this, but by about 10,710 votes. So low margin seat. Can the BJP do something? Karol Bagh seat. Again, approximately 32,000 votes. Can the BJP up its game in Karol Bagh and swing this seat? Again, Palam seat, the Aam Aadmi Party has won it twice, and about 32,000 is the vote margin. Can there be a swing here if the Congress comes into play and the BJP can up its game? Kalka ji. Now, Kalka ji, important seat. Atishi, Chief Minister, comes from this seat. They won this seat twice. Last time, the margin was about less than 11,500 votes. If the Congress and the BJP can get together, will it cut into the AAP votes? Kondli seat, again twice Aam Aadmi Party has won, but about 18,000 is the vote margin. Can something happen here? Patparganj, and this seat is important because Manish Sisodia gave up this seat. The margin last time was about 3,200 votes.
The guy who Manish defeated is also the person who is seen in all the videos going there and saying, "Aap Muslim ho, apna naam dalo. Aap Hindu ho, saffron pehno." So don't say that Hindutva is not there. Go to the ground and then see what's happening in Delhi.
Right now, Hindutva or not, I'm looking at the seat of Manish Sisodia, why he went off to Jangpura, very clear from the vote margin. Gokalpur, this is a SC seat. Again, margin of 19,500 last time. Can this be bridged? And Seelampur, again, this is a margin of about 37,000. Can the Congress actually get? Because this is a minority predominant seat. Can the Congress party cut the Aam Aadmi party's vote in
Also,
this?
Janakpur
So
में
this,
hardly 12,000 का difference
I'll tell you the
these are the 9 seats that we've picked up where the Super 9, there are close where they are in direct fights, and
Yeah.
can they? Close fight in Seelampur, which is a separate, 8 are there, and then there is Seelampur where the Congress needs
No, if
to
Congress
up
and
its
AAP,
game.
if minority vote split, BJP can win Seelampur.
That is why I'm saying these are the
But,
super 9 seats
Karol
that
Bagh-
can determine.
Karol Bagh will stay with us.
And in this
It's a
case,
very working class population.
we found out many seats.
Where's the
Well,
fight, नाविका जी? गालीबाज पार्टी का सीएम चेहरा नहीं है, फाइट कहाँ पे है?
मैं आपको ये बता दूं, कई ऐसे चुनाव हैं इंक्लूडिंग मध्य प्रदेश जहां सीएम का चेहरा नहीं था।
छत्तीसगढ़,
राजस्थान
राजस्थान
में नहीं, ओडिशा में नहीं, ओडिशा में नहीं था। But well, I take your
लोग
point.
क्यों विश्वास
I
करेंगे
take
इन
your
पे?
point, but they're raising the question on
आपके
can he be
मुख्यमंत्री
the
चेहरे ने
chief
इस्तीफा क्यों
minister?
दिया
Why
था
did he
फिर?
give up the
I've
seat?
already said they are lying.
After all, temporary CM Atishi are not my words. They are
Atishi
Arvind
got a tough
Kejriwal.
Arvind-
But the fact is, even her seat is a tough seat.
Tough seat.
What's going to happen in Delhi will be determined by how well the Congress party does. The magic 7.54% votes, if the Congress can get, will it create trouble for the Aam Aadmi party? The super 9 seats, which way will they go? And of course, the biggest of them all, the freebie factor. The freebie factor, will it swing the elections towards the AAP, or if the BJP ups their game against the AAP? And the Hindutva factor. Is that why Pujaris and Granthis are suddenly the hot favorites for the Aam Aadmi party? All of this coming up in these projections that we are showing, but finally, abhi picture baki hai. Over the next 3 weeks, how does all of this play out on the ground will determine Delhi kiski hai. But for now, thank you very much to my panelists for joining me on this big Delhi dangal.
Our deliberations are accurate. Our discoveries based on true insights. हम बात करते हैं तर्क पर और हमें तलाश है सिर्फ जवाब जो हो तथ्यों पर आधारित और हो सच के साथ। आई एम स्वाति जोशी और मैं हूं अमिता वाधवा। वॉच इस डिबेट द बेस्ट ऑफ द बेस्ट, द मॉर्निंग न्यूज आवर।
The biggest news break of the day. Exclusive that set the primetime agenda. Bringing you stories that matter. News breaks that shake up the system. Join us for the biggest revelation on Blueprint Exclusive weekdays at 6 p.m. only on Times Now.